Hello and welcome to this week's video newsletter. I started outside in the rain, but I've come back in. Last week we had a bit of rain on our fireworks evening, our alternative fireworks evening, but what an amazing event that was. Thank you to everybody that came along and supported. Thank you in particular to the PTA who organised that event, who worked so tirelessly behind the scenes in the preparation and the setup, and then to make it run so smoothly on the night as well. We had on Monday this week our health and social care GCSE students out on a field trip at Bridge House, and we also saw the return of our geographers from London who were on their 3-day field trip in London Docklands area and experiencing the highlights of the big city. We had on Tuesday as well our whole school open day. It was wonderful to see so many families visiting the school to come and have a look at what we offer and what we do. And we were also very, very lucky for them to be able to watch and observe our Remembrance Service that took place outside in front of the flagpole. The weather just about held off for us. And that was a very, very respectful, very, very solemn occasion, but one that is so, so important in of course, our national calendar. The students from overseas read prayers in their own languages and in English. And the brass band played superbly as well. So thank you to everybody, students who conducted themselves so magnificently on Tuesday and really did show the school off in its very, very best light. The highlight of the week, however, Wednesday evening was our scholars concert here in the theatre and on the bridge. Our drama students, our music students and our art students put on a fantastic display. Surrounding me here on the bridge is some of the artwork that we displayed on that evening, which truly was spectacular, which really again showed the talent and the breadth of talent that we have in the school. I remarked on Wednesday night that we were able to actually see 2,500 years of arts on Wednesday evening, with a little bit of ancient Greek tragedy, including some modern Greek Disney, and quite a lot in between, which was tremendous to see. Well done to all those students that took part on Wednesday evening. Today, on the topic of arts, we have our inter-house art competition closing, and we also have today out on the sports fields our Year 5 and Year 6 independent school associations tag rugby festival. I did start out there, I must confess, with this recording, but I quickly retreated and came back in here because it is very wet and very windy, but I know they're having a lot of fun out there. There was a lot of great excitement and enthusiasm despite the weather today. This weekend, we see our students going out on their first 10 tours trip and training. They'll be walking from school to Clovelly. Good luck to all of those. I hope to catch up with them at some point along the way as well. We also have on Sunday the West of England Schools Judo Tournament taking place here at Kingsley in the sports hall. Good luck to all our judoka who are competing in that. And our boarders, they're all off go-karting this weekend, so I hope you have a lot of fun there. It's been a week, if you've been watching the socials, of bread making, of wool teasing, of juice squeezing, and of kusama pumpkin making. And that's what some of these things behind me are as well that we're able to show on Wednesday night. Quickly in sport this week, our netball senior team, again in the North Devon League, played on Monday evening. They won their game. Annabelle was player of the match there. And our under-15s girls football team had a run out against Bideford this week as well. Ruby was the player of the match, but sadly that one was a loss. The under-14s boys football, they played round 2 of the English Schools FA Cup, and they had a comprehensive victory over Cape Cornwall Academy. Otis was our player of the match there. Well done to them. Now they are through to round 3 of the English Schools FA Cup. And our senior football team, boys football team, they've continued to be unbeaten in the National League with a comprehensive win over South Devon College on Wednesday. Riley was the man of the match there. Well done. And our under-13s played a fantastic rugby game. The boys on this week against Braunton. They sadly came out as second place there in a nail-biting 5-8 game. Griff was player of the match there. So well done to everybody, sporting, scholastics, artists, etc. And also well done to all of our Year 11s and 13s who are now into their mock exams, the second set of mock exams. Well done to all of you for all the hard work and preparation you've put in so far for those, and good luck over the next week or so. Thank you very much. I will now venture back outside and catch a little bit more of that rugby. Thank you. Bye-bye.